Welcome to 701 North Gunnison Avenue in Lake City, Colorado. Looking for a place in Lake City where you can walk to everything but still feel tucked into the mountains? You're going to love this one. This home offers one bed, one bath, and a layout that's perfect for full-time living, a second home, or even a vacation rental opportunity. You'll love the open living space, natural light, updated finishes, cozy fireplace, and the setting is so hard to beat. Just minutes to shops, dining, and endless outdoor recreation. You've got a 700 square foot guest cabin, and you also have a 700 square foot shop with a wood burning stove, giving you year-round workspace, storage, or the ultimate mountain hobby space. It all sits on 4 full city lots, which is incredibly rare in Lake City, offering space, flexibility, and future potential that's hard to find this close to town. Imagine stepping out your front door and being just moments from hiking, fishing, and exploring everything Lake City has to offer, all while being surrounded by some of Colorado's most breathtaking scenery. Whether you're looking for a peaceful mountain retreat or an investment in one of Colorado's hidden gems, this property checks all the boxes. If you want a private showing or more details, reach out today. Homes in Lake City don't stay available for long.